we can see by Mohit as well as Nanda Deepananda because required run rate is 7 per over. Two consecutive ball, two runs are into the scoreboard. And this is the third time in show. Shashi Mohit once again. Right hand over the wicket. Right-handed batsman. This time another gifted run from the boys from the Bryce. The keeper wasn't able to collect the ball behind the stumps. Three consecutive balls, 3 runs added to the scoreboard. The replacement of keeper once again Shashi Mohit, right hand over the wicket with right-handed batsman. This time 1+1. It means 2 gifted runs added to the scoreboard. This is a not good sign for the team Srinamapura. A request for Ketri Brigade as well as the Royal Seekers for Captain please come into the commentary box for shot. This time another gifted run added to the scoreboard. The score is 1-2. 6 on the board. Yes, 2 more to go in this over. This is the first score in the of second innings. Shashi Mohit. Fourteen to go, 15 to get. 14 deliveries left in this second innings. 15 to get. This time a chance of run out. And there is no backup on the non-strike end. It means excellent running between the wicket. One that completed. One more single added to the scoreboard. 7 on the board. Once again, Shashi to Shashi. Another single run added to the scoreboard. After completion of one over, the score was up to 8 for 1. And this is a good sign for Nanda Deepananda. They required 7 points. 7 runs per over. They already scored 8 runs in first over for completion of one over. Score was up to 8 runs for none. And this is an excellent wicket by Nanda Deepananda. 12 to go and 30 to get up. It's a required run rate of 6.5 per over. And Kings run up to introducing their second bowler, Mr. Nicky sitting bowling mark to go to second over of second innings. Nicky to Mohit. Once again, a right hand over the wicket to right handed batsman. Mr. Nicky to Mohit. The excellent delivery. The great comeback by Kings run up to the first. A dotted delivery by Nicky. He's showcasing all the experience of the ball. Once again, Nicky this time. Another single run added to the scoreboard. And this time, they find the gap. 9 on the board, 9 for none. And this is a good sign for the Nanda Deepananda. This time, just got run out. In this week, the excellent running between the wicket by Mohit as well as Sachin. The score was on to 10 on the board, 10 for none. And this is the second over in progress. Once again, Mr. Nicky to Sachin. Let him over the wicket, right-handed batsman. Another chance to run out this time. The great decision by Mr. Mahesh. It means excellent running between the wicket. Once again, Mr. Mohit as well as Sachin. Another single run added to the scoreboard. Back-to-back single added to the total. It means 8 ball, 10 runs required. 8 ball, remaining 8 ball, 10 runs required. 8 to go. 10 to 8. Once again, Mr. Nick is to